प्रेम से बोलो श्री गणेश भगवान की जय, सरस्वती देवी महारानी माता की जय, अरे पवन पुत्र हनुमान स्वामी की jai. 6 minutes after 5, broadcasting from the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, this is your weekend spiritual journey, Shanti Vandana. Dear friends, thank you for joining with us this morning. Today we have in our studios a very beautiful, trained professional who would be guiding us as parents, as elders, as leaders, as those guardians with oversight for the lives of children, but in particular this week, those who would be writing examinations, the SEA examinations, the CAPE examinations, and like this, sometimes parents are more anxious or have anxiety attacks. Sometimes as parents, out of love, we oftentimes offset the balance that the child has. Out of concern, we sometimes do the wrong things or get the wrong result when we enforce love and stringency and discipline in the days leading up to an examination. And today I would like to welcome to Shanti Vandana, Mrs. Rakhi Kisoon, trained professional, to lead us through this morning's conversation. Rakhi ji, namaskar and welcome to 103 FM.
Namaskar, Panditji, and thank you so much for having me here this morning.
There's a beautiful quotation that says, there is no such thing as a perfect parent. So, why not just be a real one? Today, Rakhi ji, there are thousands and thousands of listeners this morning who are anticipating their child's sitting of an examination of some sort. And there is the anxiety that both the child as well as the parent or parents would experience. Tell us this morning, what advice do you have for both children and for parents in managing exam anxiety?
The first thing is that anxiety over a major exam or test, it is normal, it is universal, if you will. It doesn't matter if it's a child or an adult, an American, an Indian, a Trinidadian. People who are going to do a major examination will feel some sort of anxiety. And different people manifest this anxiety in different ways. Some people feel butterflies in their tummies. Some people have sweaty palms, wobbly knees. Some people feel depressed. They start crying. They have headaches, they crack their knuckles constantly, bite their nails. And parents, at this time you would find that maybe you have a very quiet child and all of a sudden you see them acting up, noisy, talkative. These are all forms of anxiety. In your own self, you would notice as the test is coming closer, irritability maybe, and these are all normal signs of anxiety. Now, anxiety is normal, but it is important to control it because when the brain feels nervous, it exudes something like a noise. And this noise, it incapacitates the brain to perform at its optimal best. So anxiety is normal, but it is important to control it.
So for the interest of our parents and guardians this morning, could you just clarify what are those symptoms that the parent must look for in that child?
Every child is different, but some things that they seem to, most of them seem to have is the butterflies in the tummy, sweaty palms. Some of them get depressed, emotional. Some of them complain of headaches. You see them cracking their knuckles, often biting their nails. You see some of them, they start acting up more, or they just behave differently. Sometimes a child is very active and you see them get really quiet, come into an exam. So there are so many different symptoms of anxiety.
So essentially the parent must know the typical traits of the child and start looking for those changes.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So here are some suggestions and strategies on how you and your child can manage your anxiety as the date of exam comes closer. The first and most powerful way to manage exam anxiety or any anxiety is prayer. Parents, you advise your children as they go into that exam room and that paper is placed in front of them, let them pray. When you have that paper in front of you and you have all that anxiety and you say to God as you understand Him, "Oh Lord, please help me. I offer to you everything that I am, everything that I have, and please guide me through this test." When you put everything in God's hand, then there can be no anxiety left for you to feel. And parents, when you see your child is walking into school on that morning of exam, that will be a good time for you to pray as well, because that might be a time you feel a lot of anxiety.
Acha, Prem se bolo Shri Saraswati Maharani Mata ki jai. I know many parents are having prayers, puja, Saraswati puja in particular, Ganesh Saraswati puja over the last week into this weekend, or maybe this coming week. And therefore, it's very important, as Mrs. Kisun is reminding us this morning on Shanti Vandana, that prayer, it is a reaffirmation that there's a higher power. To know that you are not alone, prayer reminds the child and the parent that there's an active hand of God in our life, always ensuring our best is yet to come. And therefore, today as we join in this conversation of Shanti Vandana, the first advice given by Mrs. Kisun this morning, it is to pray. As we're on that note, let's join in a very beautiful bhajan